service namin. Inaantay na lang kaming tawagan. Ayun. Excited ka na ba? Lapit. So, nakasakay na kami sa sasakyan. Hello. Hey, tita.
Alain. It's the part of Abu Dhabi. So first we're going to the camel farm, so you can have some photos with the camels.
Wow, photo with the
After that we are going for the dune bashing. I mean the main part of the safari. So after the dune bashing we'll get back to the camp. So there were some activities like camel riding, henna painting, shisha smoking, and you'll have a barbecue dinner over there. So once we reach in the camp, I can explain more about the activities and all. Okay? Yeah. So is the first time you guys doing the safari, or like you had done before?
First time.
First time.
First
Oh,
time.
so excited.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I forgot to ask your names.
I'm Mark.
Mark. Your name?
Ozan.
Azan?
My name is Jane.
Jean?
Ready.
Freddy. Yo?
Melissa.
Melissa.
Betty.
I didn't get it.
Betty.
Betty. Yeah, cool. And for him. Yeah. So now we are going to the camel farm, so you can have photos with the camels. Okay?
So, picture daw muna kami sa camel. Yeah.
Ready?
Ready. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh cool. Yes. Camel.
All good?
All
So
good.
now you guys can come out and you can take the photos with the camels. Okay?
Right.
And just remember the car numbers. Go.
Ito na kami sa desert. Yeah.
Picture ka kami sa other part.
Guys, nandito ako sa camel farm. Ayun yung camel, nakikita ko na sa personal. Oh my god. Ito, ang laki ng camel. Shims. Hello. Sungit mo ah. Ay, hindi R80. Lalapitan natin yung camel. Oh my god! Medyo friendly din pala sila, no? Oh my god, kinakabahan ako! Oh my god!
Butterfly ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ next time
So papakawalan na nila yung mga camel dun kasi
Kakainin tsaka paiinumin.
God, look that. Hey! Para ko nasa roller coaster, guys.
Lalong to.
Shame. Oh my God. Ah! Ingay ko. Para kung na-fall doon. Damn! Oh! Go! Pinagpawisan ako doon, guys. Hala! Hala! Ay!
A few moments later.
Kababa lang namin sa sakyan.
Nasa gitna kami ng t-shirt.
Oh, desierto.
Few inches later.
Para na din pala ako nag-gym. Nakapagod. Ay. I made it.
So now we are heading back to the camp. So, all good?
Yeah.
So now you can take all your belongings from the car and you can come out. Okay? All good? Yeah.
na po tayo ngayon ng Condura outfit natin.
Yes! Picture din kayong dalawa. Bagay sa'yo pa kasi oldies ka na.
Langya ka? Bagay tapos
Okay, so ngayon po, nag-aayos siya ng kanyang kundura. Wala kang bigote.
Ayan na po, sumakay na ng camel ang dalawang magpinsan. Hi! Say hi! Galing! Winner!
A few moments later.
So guys, kakain kami dito ng Arabic food. Ito yung Arabic food na. So ito yung white rice. Then ito yung biryani chicken. Pasta. Then mga seasoning ng pita.
Hummus, tsaka... Ano yun? Ano? Diba? Mutabela.
This is hummus. Then mozzarella. This one is chicken barbecue. They also have beef barbecue. So kapag pupunta kayo sa Abu Dhabi guys, try nyo yung yung desert
Rose.
pupunta kayo sa Abu Dhabi guys, try nyo yung desert rose. Pakita ko. Oh, ayan na, di ba?
Few inches later.
Guys, ito try namin ngayon ang shisha. Shisha ba? Shisha.
Yes.
For choosing an experience with Desert Rose Tourism. It's been a pleasure to host you. We'd like to know how you felt about your tour. Thank you again. Have a safe journey and good night.
going on? Good?
Good.
Yeah. Did you enjoy?
Yes, I really enjoyed this safari tour.
Did you come back again?
Yes, we'll come back again. Yeah.
So how was the food and all?
Great.
Great.
Delicious. The biryani rice. Oh, that's my favorite rice.
So,
We're all set. Ang saya ng experience na to. Thankful ako kay mama, kay papa. Kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi ko ma-experience tong Abu Dhabi trip ko. Thank you kung napapanood mo to, ma.
okay? Ready guys?
Ready? Wait, meron pa ulit. Oh my god, dito na naman tayo. Sana na-enjoy yung video na to. Huwag kalimutan i-like, i-share at mag-comment kung anong masasabi mo sa video na to. So, bye!